Hello my loves, and are we focused? Okay. Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review, and this one is on the Bobbi Boss Bobbi Boss Yara Bang unit. I wanted the Yara wig for so long, but I don't like really the middle parts too much, and I didn't feel like I can rock it, so I found this one in gray. This is in the TT1B56, which I already have a Bobbi Boss unit that is the same color, the TT1B56. So we're gonna take her out of the packaging, and I'm excited. I hope she looks as good on me as I think I would want. Usually units with bangs don't have lace to cut because the bangs are in the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wig. She's beautiful. She's very blunt cut, as you guys can see. She's got a very, very blunt cut. The shade, of course, is gray. Very pretty. I wanted something that was work appropriate, and I definitely wanted to try out something with bangs. I do already have a TT1B56 unit, so I know what color it is, which I love. It's like my hair now, gray. The bangs, it feels like a density that I can deal with. It is like a very sleek, yucky texture. Very, very sleek, almost silky. But it's I would say it's a light yucky. There's no shedding so far in the wig. The bangs are very light and flirty. Let me show you guys. Oh no. Come on, Bobbi Boss. Like, you had one fucking job. Bobbi Boss had one job, and that was to put combs in the unit. And this one has no combs. I despise units that do not have a comb. This is the second unit that I bought from them that I loved. And it didn't have a comb. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tighten it because I already know. I don't understand what's so hard about just putting combs in a unit. I'm already bitching. But putting combs in a unit, you get the versatility of just using them or not, rather than just not having them and not being able to use them. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, it has about a 3-inch or 2.5-inch part in the center. But you can put powder on it so it'll look natural, which I like that. I think that's pretty nice. This is very sleek. I might have to spray her down because it looks like she might get a little frizzy. Again, no combs. We're just gonna throw her on and see how she looks. Okay. Me. Is it Cousin It? Oh, okay. I had another unit with bangs, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my wig band and pull it back. Oh, okay. Okay, she is very sleek. Oh my god, the bangs are so cute. You could definitely do a lot with a bang like this. I don't normally comb it, but you see, these are very long. This is a very long bang, so there's not much I can do except try to trim this a bit. It's gonna be all over my face. I know, whoever cuts hair is probably like cringing right now. Because it's like, no, that's not how you cut hair. I'm like, well, guess what? I don't cut hair, so. I'm just trying to trim them because I could tell that they were uneven. Okay, now I'm pulling my own hair. Oh, she's looking nice. I'm not mad at her. Very sleek, very pretty, very blunt cut. So me cutting at the bangs, I just kind of evened them out a little bit. Now, this is not a traditional way of cutting hair. I know that. All right, there we go. How cute is that? This unit is absolutely gorgeous, though. I'm not even mad at it. Of course, the only thing I'm mad at right now is the fact that it doesn't have any combs. But because I tightened it, sorry, I'm dusting off everything else. Because I tightened it, it definitely feels nice and snug around the perimeter of my head. And I also have the wig grip band on, which helps, you know, amazingly with units like this. I love that she's straight, but she kind of curves into my body or my face. I love that you can kind of do pretty. With these kind of bangs, you could do a lot. Like you can just kind of shift them to the side or just do a little messy thing here. Of course, you're gonna pull hair. Like, look at that. Like, that's how bangs are. Like, that's how bangs lay when you do them, right? That is so pretty. Wow. Yara bang. I'm glad that I did not go gun-ho and get the Yara wig because I knew I was not gonna like the middle part on that one because it was just so straight and sleek. It just wasn't gonna look good on my face, but I feel like with the bangs, I'm definitely getting, like, that is cute. My ears are red because I've just been kind of, just had this heavy wig on, so I love this wig. I look like I do things at night that cost you a fortune, and I like that. Let me show you guys the back of the unit. Let's be focused. She's very blunt cut, as you guys can see. And I think she's longer in the back than she is in the front. But again, I could be wrong. It could just be the angle of the unit and how you wear it. It's a little humpy right here, but that's because I don't have a lot of hair. And what I would do is do... sorry if I wasn't focused. What I would do with something like this is wrap my hair like around and then hopefully pin this down if it's too loose. But it's actually not loose at all. I really like her. She's beautiful. How you doing? This with a nice red lip, I think we can pull off most definitely. So I'm really digging this one. I've been showing everyone on Snapchat what I've been doing tonight, and that's filming 5 wig reviews. So I've just been like really crazy. So if you guys want, follow me on Snapchat and all my social medias that are down below. Okay, thanks. I will try to leave this wig link down below. You guys feel free to check out my wig playlist if you guys are interested in just checking it out. Maybe there's a wig that catches your eye. I think I look crazy in all of them, but I love them nonetheless. This really does change pretty much my whole look. And she's so sleek. And as I'm touching it, it's not getting more frizzy or anything like that. It's just staying so pretty. This is definitely a winner. I saw my girl Samore Love TV do this. Miss Samore looked bang in it, and she posted it I think like a day or two after I bought this wig. So to see her rocking it, and she looked amazing. A++, babe. I'll leave her review down below as well if you're interested. She got it in a different color, which looked amazing on her. I think it was on a 4, which was a brown, and it was gorgeous. It looked almost purple. But anyway, overall, the only con I have is that there's no combs to secure the wig. That's pretty much the only con I have, to be honest. I think it's a perfect length. Focus. I think it's a perfect length, at least for me, and I think that it makes me look like I lost 20 pounds, which that's a plus. Especially with this chin, okay? So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review on the Yara Bang wig from Bobbi Boss in the shade TT1B56. I will leave the link down below where you can find it, along with all the items that I recommend that you use, whether it be a wig grip band, a wig cap, the powder for your part. Oh, wait, I forgot about that. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.